Okay, so a lot of people have been saying that their Skyrim mods don't work. I had that same problem, and fortunately, I was able to fix it. Only it took me about a year to finally figure out how to do it. Every video I watched, every tutorial, every online thing, every person I asked said the same thing. All you need to do is uninstall and reinstall Skyrim, or stuff like that, or they showed you how to properly install the mod by putting the files in certain places, or don't use a mod manager, but that's not the reason it doesn't work. I'll show you the reason it doesn't work. So first, what you're going to need to do is open your web browser, whatever you use, and once you have it open, you're going to go to, oh sorry, that was a mod thing I had, just getting. First, you want to go to google.com, or whatever search engine you prefer to use. You're going to search Skyrim SKSE. Skyrim script encoder is what it is. This allows pretty much a lot of mods that you get are going to require this. At least the main mod that I've found that requires it is the Sky UI mod, which gives you a PC friendly mod, inventory interface. So you're going to want to hit the installer. Whenever you download that, I've already got it. It's in my downloads folder. You're going to want to save it, which I already have it. And what it does is, if you go to my computer, so you're going to download and run the installer. And what it does is it will install the files in the places that they need to be wherever your Skyrim is saved. And it'll ask you where your Skyrim is saved. So see, it's got the SKE loader right here, SKSE, all the other files that go with it. And it's got them where they need to be. So after that, you can try that. You can open Skyrim. If yours works, great. But generally, it doesn't. That didn't fix it for me. There was one step that I was missing. What happens is whenever you first start your game, whenever you go to if you go to Documents, right here, then go to My Games, Skyrim. Whenever you first start Skyrim, it creates this file right here, Skyrim.ini, configuration settings file. Now what that is it sets it up to be able to make it compatible with the files that are already in Skyrim. So whenever you add new files, it doesn't have those settings in this Skyrim file right here. So what you want to do is you want to get the mods you want, load them in with manually or Nexus Mod Manager or whatever you use to do it. But then what you're going to want to do is you're going to take this and you're going to delete it. And then you're going to want to take it, you're going to want to open Skyrim and run it from the original screen with the mods activated and play Skyrim. So then it will create that Skyrim.ini file again, but it'll be created based on the mods that you have installed. Recreated it. So now I have that in based on the mods that I have installed. So now all the mods should work. And that was the problem all along. And I figured that out when my friends told me. So what you're going to do is once you have the SKSE installed, what you're going to do is you're going to want to open Skyrim through SKSE. I changed the icon so I can tell the difference between Skyrim and SKSE. So you're going to want it skips the launcher and goes straight into the game. Now to make sure that it's working properly and that you have SKSE running, you're going to open your console commands, which is the tilde button right under escape and to the left of the 1 on most computers. I don't know if it's different on any other computers. You're going to type get SKSE version, no spaces, enter. And if it comes up with this to say what version you have for SKSE, then it's working, it's running. But if it comes up with error or compiled script not saved or whatever, some kind of error message, then you're not running SKSE and some of your mods may not work. So I'm going to play for my last save, which will show you that my Skyrim is modded and the mods do work. I would, if I had known that this was going to work originally, I would have made the video and fixed it during the video so that way you could see before and after. I just don't want to take the chance of messing something up and ending up for it not working. So I can't show you what it was like before it wasn't working. But basically what would happen is the majority of the mods that I got wouldn't work, and some of the mods that I did get, some of the mods that did work, they would not show, like the textures would not show up. So I added a building and that texture did not show up. Whenever I walked inside, it was just walls where there were supposed to be pictures and stuff. It was just a blank wall. There was a sign and it was just a post sticking out. There was no sign hanging from it like it was supposed to be. And so this is a mod installed building. It's Dovahkiin's Warehouse is the name of the mod. Right now I'm at Dovahkiin's bedroom, and this is a huge place. If you go over, whenever I first found this place, you first come. Sorry about the lag too. You first come in over here. Well, at least I did. I'm not sure where you'll find it, whenever you install it. If you install it, I don't know. It's not a mod review. This is just to show that I have a mod and it works. So I came in through this way, come in right through here. When you open this Dovahkiin's bedroom, what you see, you will like. So let's wait for this to load, and I will show you what is in here. See, as you can see, I have the ultimate follower overhaul mod. All these people right here are my followers. I'm right behind you. Command them to do stuff and all that stuff. What should we call it? You lead, I'll follow. Oh man, it fell off. Okay, so basically in this room there is there's every single smithing, crafting, potion item, enchanting item in here. There's tons of empty chests and everything.
So you can cast
Come here, there's guards all over the place, and these guards are immortal. They cannot be killed.
Staying safe, I hope.
And it gives you every single ingot in the game. It's sitting right here on this shelf. You take what you need, or you can go to this chest right here, search ingots, name of the chest, and there's 100 of each ingot in there. And if you want more ingots in that chest, you can visit my video on how to duplicate items in the chest or on a person. And so yeah, that's how you get your Skyrim mods to work. Like, subscribe, and comment any questions you have, and that will be it for this video.